Okay, I'm going to start with marking Nasian. Alien. My preauricular left side and right side. Okay, so this is Indian. I mean Nasian. This is Indian. This is A1. A2. Okay. And now I'm going to perform sagittal measurement from Nasian to Indian. It's 34. So I'm gonna mark CZ by dividing 34 by 2. It's going to be 17. Now I'm going to mark my 10%, which is going to be 3.4. 3.4 and 10% here, 3.4. Okay. That's going to be FPZ. And in the back, we have OZ. And now from FPZ to CZ, I'm going to divide it by 2, which is going to be 7 here, okay? And that's my FZ. CZ, and here from OZ to CZ, half of that is 7, and that's my PZ. Now I'm gonna go from, that's gonna be preauricular measurement from left through CZ to A2. It's 36. Okay. 36. 36. Divided by 2. It's going to be, and that's my true CZ. Now I'm going to mark 3.6. A1, 3.6. That's my 10%. And on the other side, .6 as well. Okay, and now this is my T3 and T4. Now from T3 to CZ, I'm going to divide it 0. Okay, into 7.5, and that is my C3. And on the opposite side, from T4 to CZ, okay, and that is my C4. Okay. Now I'm gonna measure my circumference through my 10% line, through C3, OZ, T4 to FPZ. That's 59. Okay. 59. 59. Okay. That's my 10% here. And we have true FP1 and FP2. FP1 and FP2. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and measure 10%, 5.9. 5.9. Now I have my true T3. And my true F7. Okay, from T3, 10%, 5.9. And that is T5. From T5, 5.9. And this is my O1. From O1, 5.9. Okay, and this is my O2. I'm gonna go ahead and measure 5.9, which is 10%, to 10% line. And that's my T6. Again, 10%. 5.9. And I have my true, now I have my 10% line. Okay. So now I have my T6, true T6, and true T4, just here. I'm gonna go ahead and measure another 10%. 5.9. Okay. And that's my F8. 10%. Okay. Okay, next step is to measure my anterior coronal, which is from F8 through FZ to F7. It's 21. Okay, so 10.5. Oh. And the whole measurement I'm gonna divide by 4, which is gonna be here. So I have my true FZ. Okay. The same thing in the back. T5 through PZ to T6. Okay, now I have my true PZ. Now, right, left parasagittal, F1 through C4 to O1. It's 26. Okay. So 6.5. Now I have my true C4, C3. And my true F3. My true P3, and the same thing on the opposite side, on the right side, which is going to be right parasagittal from FP2 through C4 to O2. Okay. Okay. And that's my true C4, P4, now from FP2 to C4, and that is my true F4, and that's my complete measurement. I don't know if it's visible, I hope so.